Hi judges, this is Team Innovix. Today, the HRs are spending more time on their manual workflows like approving leave, payrolls, onboarding an employee, and solving their queries. So these workflows may consume more of their time and their value to the company. And these manual workflows can be automated by our Innovix HR Agentic AI. And this is our solution for this problem statement. And today we are going to see our websites with this Agentic AI. In the HR page, we have included many subpages like dashboards, all employees, and payroll, and notifications page to approve the employee's request. And we have our AI chatbot page. In this page, we can chat with our agentic AI. The HR can do all their works. And let's start with the high. The the HR can test all the tools like onboarding employee. First, start with onboarding employee tool, and when we onboard an employee, the HR either can fill all their data of the employees, or else if we use invite an employee for these agents, it will ask for an email, sample email, and password for the employee to log in, and the employees can log into their page and fill their details. Let us see that later. And our HR agentic AI has deeply connected with the MongoDB database, so it can instantly query all these employee details. And when the HR asks for the employee list in a particular department, it can list all the employee details. And we have a main tool called offboarding employee. We can easily HR can easily offboard an employee with their date and the reason for them, and prepare a sensitive transaction for them and uses it to do. So our agentic AI can do all the works. And so most oftenly these tools are easy to work, and it's with role based access, so no employee can use these tools in this chat. Now let's move on to our employee perspective. And in our employee page, we also have a dashboard on we can see our team members, and we have on calendars to see their meetings or leaves, and we have a payroll page, and we have a page for officially for a leave approval, so where they can apply for their leaves. And especially our main tool, our agent. In the HR agent, we have logged into a new employee called Ramesh. We have already seen that Ramesh is invited by a HR with their email ID and password. When we chat with the AI, it automatically asks for their details like phone number, bank account number, and email contact address. So when they fill these details with their documents, this AI will analyze those details and officially represent them as a onboarded employee and completed the process. It will also send an mail to the HR. We have a role-based access control of our agent. When you can see that when Ramesh as an ordinary employee asks for an onboarding tool, it's an admin level command. Our security guardrails will immediately intercept them and will politely deny their request, and it will improve our security of the agent with clear guardrails using NVIDIA. The agent also acts as a tier 1 IT and payroll support system, because when Ramesh needs a new laptop, the AI will gather his employee ID and a reason from the employee, and it will automatically generate an IT ticket for for the HR, and where the HR can see those HR tickets on his admin page, and where he will approve and contact with Ramesh. So it will be easy for the HR to connect with the employee. And our AI validates this concern and generates an urgent payroll ticket based on their priority, and which have been deflected to manual support tickets. And our agent can also retrieve the data from the Pinecone database and display the data of our company policy. And we can also ask for a payroll to the AI, and it will analyze our reasons and our frustrations, so that it can convey it to the HR as a summary. So our agent can also do these two works. when it requests a casual leave for a family function. Because leave approvals require a human in the loop, the agent does not automatically approve it. Instead, it perhaps the workflow and routes it to the HR, and where the HR can approve the leave with a one-click authorization, because it will contain the detailed and summarized contract context of the employee chat with the AI, and it will analyze these reasons and summarize it to the HR. So the HR can easily see the reason of the employee, and it will reduce the time spent for and pre-approval, and where the AI will also send an email using SMTP notification, so that HR will instantly know when an employee has for a casual leave or sick leave, so it automates the workflow. And our agent is currently deployed on the render and reversal, and it can be scaled to AWS on the feature on our fake login credentials or on our slide. So thank you for listening to us.